how to create credit note in Zoho Books. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how to use Zoho Books and how to get started with your credit notes. So it's very simple. Simply look over here on our left side and click on sales over here. And at the bottom of these options, you can see we have credit notes. If you select credit notes over here, this is where you will be able to see and monitor all the credit notes that you already have. If you don't have one, we can start with clicking create new credit note over here. After that, simply enter the necessary information over here. You can add or select your customer, your credit note number, your reference number, a date, salesperson, subject, and the item in question. Put in the account, quantity, and all of this necessary information over here. And then you could save it as open or save as draft over here. Then you will then be able to monitor it and see it in this page after you create it or after create your credit notes. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.